Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Local Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 11 Time and Work Exercise 11 Question 3. It is saying A and B can polish the floors of a building in 18 days. A alone can do 1/6 of this job in 4 days. In how many days can B alone polish the floors, right? So very simple question. A and B together, if they work, again two people A and B, they are working together to polish the floors of a building. Okay, so they are polishing the floors, and in totality they will take 18 days to complete the work, that is to polish the entire floor, right, of the building. Now see, it is saying that A can alone do 1/6 of the total work in just 4 days, right? So if they are working together, they have to polish the floor, then 1/6 of that floor A can polish in 4 days, right? So just an example, so he can do 1/6 of that job in 4 days. Then in how many days can B alone polish the entire floor? So very simple. First of all, we know that A and B together take 18 days to do the work, right, or the job, whatever it is. So they take 18 days. Now I will calculate 1 day's work of A and B, both of them combined. So 1 day's work of A and B will become 1 upon 18, right? Whenever you have to calculate 1 day work, just divide the total days, okay, by 1. Just reciprocate the total number of days. So 18 is there, it will become 1 by 18, right? So same thing you do for all the other things. Now 1 day's work of A and B, here we have, right? Now what I'll do is, see, it is saying A can do 1 upon 6 of the work in how many days? 4 days, right? So A can do one whole work, right? That means A can completely polish the floors in how many days? 4 upon 1 upon 6. So this is going to be 4 into 6, that is 24, right? So he can do this in 24 days. Now with this 24, I can calculate 1 day work of A. If A is taking 24 days to completely polish this floor, to complete the job, he is taking 24 days, then in 1 day he will work 1 upon 24, reciprocate 24, right? So A's 1 day's work will become 1 by 24. This is his 1 day work, and this is 1 day work of both of them. This is the 1 day work of both of them. This is 1 day work of A. Can we not calculate 1 day work of B? Yes, we can. See, 1 day work of A and B is equal to 1 day work of A plus 1 day work of B. Very simple. So in these values, in these things, I can put these values that I have just found. 1 day work of A and B is 1 by 18. This is equal to 1 day work of A is 1 by 24. So 1 by 24 plus what I don't have, 1 day work of B. This I have not been able to so far calculate, but using this we will calculate it. Now what I can do next is that I can take this 1 by 24 to the left hand side, and it will subtract. So 1 by 18 minus 1 by 24 is equal to 1 day's work of B. So put them together. See, 18 and 24, what will their LCM be? Let's quickly just do it here on one side. I suppose 72, but let's still check it. 9, 12, 3 3 4 2 1 2 and 2. So this is 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, 3 is 36, 72, right? So 72 is their LCM. 18, first of all 72, 18 into how much will give me 72? 18 into 4 is 72, so 4 here, same thing over here. So I'll put here 1 4. Now minus how many times 24 will give me my this 72? So very simple, 3 times is equal to, let me erase this really quickly. So after this I'll have the 1 day's work that of B. This is the thing I want. So I have 1 by 72, that is 1 day's work of B. Now see, this is 1 day work of B, 1 by 72. Now I told you, whenever 1 day work is given and we have to calculate the total time he will take to do the work, then again reciprocate it, or you can say divide 1 by this 1 day work. So you will have, you can write it here, therefore B will take, see in how many days B can be polished. So B will take 1 by 72, divide 1 by 1 day work of B. So this is your how much? 72 days to polish the floor completely. So polish the floor alone, that should be better. So 1 divided by 1 by 72, this is going to be 72, and after that I've put days. So this many days he will take to do the work, entire work. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye.